वेलकम बैक टू कोड टू कॉर्टेक्स। आज हम करने वाले हैं डिप्लॉय वीएम विथ मल्टीपल नेटवर्क इंटरफेसेस इन गूगल क्लाउड लैब. So this is a challenge lab in which we'll be accomplishing this given challenge scenario in which you have to create two VPC network subnets. So click start lab. इस लैब में हम एक कमांड का यूज करने वाले हैं to complete it. However, I recommend you to try it yourself first and take help only after you fail to complete it. Command in the comment section and paste it in the notepad like this. So now after you have pasted your command like this, I will first explain you about what is this command and what it is doing. So first, this is gcloud. This is just a Google Cloud CLI tool. Okay. And compute refers to that you are working with compute engine. Instances refers to the VM instances, and create multi NIC VM means that the name of the VM instance. This is zone. Zone is given in your lab, which is US first one C for me. So I will just replace it with this. Now next, we have the machine type, which is set to the E2 medium. The network interface. Okay, so what does this command do? This is a flag used to attach a NIC, network interface card, to the VM. Each time you use this flag, you add one NIC. Now inside this flag, this network my VPC1 specifies the VPC network. Okay, the subnet A, as we can see, it specifies the exact subnet network inside that VPC. And here again a network interface is introduced, which is my VPC2, and another subnet is introduced, which is subnet B. So copy this command after completely understanding it, paste it here and hit enter. Wait for it to run. Now click check my progress. So what we basically did here, we created a VM named multi-NIC VM in the specified zone with an E2 medium machine type, attaching two network interfaces, each connected to a different VPC network and subnet to enable communication across separate network segments. After this lab is completed, we can simply end this lab, give it a like and subscribe our channel for more such videos.